Today, I'm going to reveal the internet's favorite pasta recipe. Simple, quick, and incredibly delicious. Perfect for those evenings when the fridge is almost empty and you need a quick, comforting meal. This 3-ingredient pasta has gone viral for its ease and exceptional flavor. The secret? An ingenious technique that makes it creamy, without cream or butter. Stay with me to discover the trick that will change the way you make pasta forever. Let's dive in and see why everyone is obsessed with this dish. What makes this pasta a sensation? It's ready in less than 15 minutes. Ideal for busy days or unexpected guests. The ingredients are affordable and easy to find, making it accessible to everyone. No special skills are needed. Anyone can make it perfectly. It's vegetarian, adaptable, and guaranteed to please everyone. The clean flavors of tomato and cheese win over young and old alike. You can also use gluten-free pasta if you prefer. This is proof that good food doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Let's meet our 3 protagonists: pasta, cherry tomatoes, and Parmigiano Reggiano. Use a short pasta like penne or rigatoni. They hold the sauce beautifully. Ripe cherry tomatoes burst with flavor and create a fresh, vibrant sauce. Grate your own real Parmesan for the best melt and flavor. No garlic, no herbs, just pure, simple ingredients in perfect harmony. Minimalism is the magic here. Sometimes, less really is more. Ready to cook. Start by sautéing the cherry tomatoes in olive oil until they burst and release their juices. Meanwhile, boil the pasta in salted water until very al dente, just a couple of minutes before fully cooked. Reserve some of the pasta cooking water before draining. Transfer the pasta directly to the pan with the tomatoes, letting a little of that starchy water join in. Stir everything over low heat so the sauce clings to the pasta. Now, here's the key point. Turn off the heat before adding the grated Parmesan. Stir vigorously to gently melt the cheese, creating a creamy, glossy sauce. This simple step makes all the difference. We're almost there. Here's the mistake to avoid. Never add Parmesan while the pan is still hot. High heat makes the cheese clump and the sauce oily. Always take the pan off the heat first. The residual heat is perfect for melting the cheese evenly. Stir well to emulsify the cheese, tomato, and pasta water into a silky sauce. This single tip will transform your pasta forever. Remember, heat off, cheese in. The final secret? Cold pasta water. Save a cup of starchy water. Let it cool a bit, then add a splash after the cheese. Stir or toss the pasta. Watch the sauce become creamy and luscious. The starch binds everything together. No cream needed. Cold water prevents the cheese from separating, keeping the sauce smooth. Add more water if you want it silkier. This trick is used by the best Italian chefs. Never waste pasta water again. It's liquid gold. That's it. The viral 3-ingredient pasta, made simple. Quick, affordable, and packed with flavor. It's a recipe anyone can master. Remember, add cheese off the heat, finish with cold pasta water, and enjoy the creamiest sauce ever. Try it tonight and see why everyone is crazy about it. Share your twist, maybe a pinch of chili flakes or fresh basil. Cooking is all about making it your own. Have fun and buon appetito!